Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal. I do DIYs, reviews, hauls, and much more. So today's video, I am doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. This is the fall box that came in. It's a very cute. I love the box. So fall-like, right? With all the pumpkins and stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in my box, please keep watching. So if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box with goodies inside that value up to $200 or above, and every month is for $49.99. So yeah, let's get into the box. Each box will come with a magazine which has information about what's inside of your box, the price range, tips, sometimes recipes and whatnot. So it always comes with a HelloFresh coupon. This one is also a coupon for Bright Sellers. I believe this has to do with wine. Yep. $45 credit that you can use, and also a $15 off for a friend. So first thing I'm pulling out is the multivitamin mask radiant complexion. It looks like a pill box. This is really cute packaging. Never heard of this brand, never tried it. Looks like that. That is super cute. Really like it. So this is an inspired Korean innovation type of mask to enhance moisture content within the mask, leading to increased absorption rate within the skin. Sorry if you hear background noise. I am filming, my kids are around, the dogs are out, so just everyday life. This mask retails for $40. It is to nourish your skin with vitamin B3, B5, B6, C, and E. And is ultra thin. So I cannot wait to use that. I love masks. Next item I'm getting is the Mason top. It is a multifunction drink lid, premium mason jar with an insulating neoprene sleeve. And it's in my favorite color, turquoise. Very cute. Has a big spout to drink out of. It is glass. I like it because it has the measurements, so you can see how much water intake you are drinking, and then the neoprene to keep it cold, and of course absorb the condensation from the outside. So that is really cute. I am in love with the color. This retails for $35. Sorry if you guys hear background noise. I have kids and dogs running around everywhere, so yeah. Next item is the Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. Looks like this. It is basically a mist for your bed to spray around your bed area, so that way you can calm, get that calming environment effect. I believe it smells like lavender. Yep, it smells like lavender. Get you nice and relaxed. This product is formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, rice water for a tranquil sleep environment, and it retails for $22. I'll probably use this. In my past Fabfitfun boxes, I've received a rollerball version of something like this, where you just kind of roll it on you, so that way you can feel a lot relaxed and calm with the lavender scent. So we'll be using this. Next item is the Laundress Crease Release in Classic, and this is a wrinkle release. This product retails for $16. Not sure if I'm really going to use it. I'm very lazy and I don't like to iron or anything like that. But so maybe I will use it since I don't like ironing, and I'll spray it on my clothes and see if it works. Next item is this scarf. It is a pocket infinity scarf by the brand Beyond Yoga. I don't do yoga, but it's really nice. It's that type of fabric that you would use if you had yoga pants. And the thing I like about this scarf is that it has a pocket, so you can put your phone, your maybe locker key if you're doing yoga somewhere. So that's really neat. I don't do yoga, but I'll probably use it anyways in the wintertime to keep me nice and warm. Retails for $59.95. Next item is this tip poultry case set. Looks like this. I like the color. You just push on here to open it, and there is your little set. So cute. If you want to use your disposable utensils for eating, you can use this instead. Very environment friendly. Probably will use this when we go camping, maybe, or use it for when I take lunch. Really nice. I think I might use it for lunch. And this retails for $14.99. I have two more items. This one is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk Nourishing with Coconut and Argan Oil. It is an illuminating milk and face and body. This is very cute packaging. Look at that. How cute. Super cute. And the color is Blind Date. So it's just like an illuminator for your face. I like the packaging. It's so cute. And it looks like this. It says it is I cannot say that word, cruelty free. It says shake it up, shake bottle before use. So we'll do that. It is a dropper form. I don't really use illuminators on my face, but I don't mind using it on my body. Let's see. Ooh, that is really pretty. Can y'all see the shine? Beauty Crop retails for $19.50. And last item I received is a Foxy Berry rose gold wand in the 25, is it millimeter wand. For shine, moisture, faster styling, healthier hair, and smooth finish. And ease of use, I don't really need a wand just because I have one that I really enjoy. But I might take this to my mom's house just to have one there at her house, and I don't have to worry about taking my other one with me. So this retails for $99. So yeah, that is everything that is in my box. I really liked everything. I do wish I received the blue light blocking glasses because I really wanted some, but oh well. But here's a little peek of what others might have received in their box. That's it for today's Fabfitfun unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below to let me know which item looked interesting to you. That is it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when my next video will be posted. Until then, guys, I will see you in the next one.